Welcome everyone to this video session on building fluency and confidence in PTE speaking. I'm Anurag, and today we'll explore essential strategies to improve your speaking skills for the Pearson Test of English academic exam. By the end of this session, you will feel more comfortable and ready to ace the speaking section. The PTE speaking section assesses your ability to communicate effectively in English using spoken language. It consists of several tasks, including read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, retell lecture, and answer short questions. The key to success in this section lies in building your fluency and confidence. So let's look at some of the tips that can help to improve your fluency and confidence. Tip 1. Improve pronunciation and enunciation. Clear pronunciation and enunciation are crucial in the PTE speaking section. Practice pronouncing words accurately, paying attention to vowel sounds, consonants, and stress patterns. Focus on the challenging words specific to your native language and use online resources or pronunciation apps for guidance. Tip 2. Strengthen your vocabulary and grammar. Enhance your vocabulary and grammar to express ideas effectively. Read English books, watch movies, and engage in conversations with native speakers to grasp new words and phrases. Practice different sentence structures and tenses to communicate with precision. Tip 3. Develop fluency through regular speaking practice. Fluency comes with consistent practice. Find a language partner or join a conversation group to practice speaking regularly. Discuss various topics, share your opinions, and express yourself confidently. Remember, it's not just about the words, but also about the flow of your speech. Tip 4 is time management. PTE speaking tasks have specific time limits. Practice time management during your preparation. Allocate appropriate time for each task and practice completing them within those time frames. This will help you build a sense of urgency during the actual exam and avoid running out of time. Tip 5 is pay attention to intonation and stress. Intonation and stress add meaning and emotion to your speech. Emphasize important words and ideas to make your responses engaging. Focus on conveying the right tone to match the content of your answers. Tip 6 is stay calm and composed. The test anxiety can affect your performance. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing and positive visualization to stay calm and composed during the exam. A clear and focused mind will enhance your speaking abilities. Improving your fluency and confidence in the speaking for the PTE exam is achievable with consistent practice, proper pronunciation, good vocabulary, and effective time management. Remember to stay relaxed and focus on conveying your ideas clearly. And keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every step counts towards progress. Best of luck with your PTE speaking preparation, and thank you for joining today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us and hit the bell icon to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like this video.